Today we'll be assembling this Heather's House of Minis wheelbarrow kit. The kit contains 12 wood pieces plus some paper labels for decorating the wheelbarrow. If you want to use wood stain, be sure to stain the individual pieces first. The axle is already fitted into one of the long handle pieces. It is not glued. It actually fits so tightly that glue is not necessary. The remainder of the project will require glue. I preferred tacky glue that dries clear. You could also use wood glue, but that can dry yellow. These first couple steps do not require glue. Begin by placing the wheel on the axle. Then attach the axle to the other long handle. You may have to make slight adjustments to this assembly during later steps. This is what it should look like. Now, lay out your wax paper if you have it. Position this so that the wheel hangs off a table, box, or book. Position the trapezoid between the two long handles. If necessary, push the handles inward toward the wheel or outward away from the wheel so the trapezoid fits exactly where you want it. Add glue to the sides of the trapezoid and place it between the handles. Push the trapezoid and the handles down so they are flush with the table surface. This will create a side that is completely flat. Let dry. Use tape to hold it in place while it dries, or just keep it pushed together with your fingers. Once it's dry, flip it over so that the flat side is up. Glue the small rectangle side in first. Then glue on the long rectangle sides. Let dry. The smaller front piece should be sandwiched between the two longer pieces. Make sure again that the flat side is facing up while you do this. Once it is completely dry, flip it over so that you can attach the legs. Glue the legs to the handles and let dry. Then attach the mitered support pieces with glue and let dry. Once everything is completely dry, you now have a 1/12 scale dollhouse wheelbarrow to place in your tiny garden. The wheel even turns a little bit. I plan to create a lot more kits in the near future. Thank you so much for purchasing this kit, and thank you for watching.